Hey friends, welcome back. In this quick Photoshop 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to turn any real photo into a cool pixelated effect using just a filter. No advanced steps needed. First, open your image in Photoshop. You can drag and drop, or go to File, Open. Now go to the top menu. Filter, Pixelate, Mosaic. A pop-up will appear. Increase the cell size slider to make the pixels larger. The higher the number, the more pixelated your image becomes. Preview it, and when you're happy, click OK. For a true pixel art vibe, go to Image, Mode, Indexed Color. You can reduce the color count here. Try something like 32, 16 or even 8 colors. It gives your image that classic retro feel. When you're done, go to File, Export, Export as. Choose PNG or JPEG, and save it with your preferred settings. And that's how easy it is to pixelate any image in Photoshop 2025 using the Mosaic filter. If you enjoyed this, drop a like, hit subscribe, and check out my other cool tutorials right here on Mr. Wonder How.